First line, Dear Mr. Taylor, this letter will introduce to you Mr. Robert P. Johnson, who is in your city on business for his company, His firm has undertaken a contract of some magnitude in the planning of a community center for this city, and consequently Mr. Johnson is anxious to study at first hand what has been accomplished in your city, New paragraph. I am confident that you will do all you can to make Mr. Johnson comfortable while he is with you, and I shall consider all that you do for him a very great favor to me, Sincerely yours, Second line, gentlemen, in response to your communication of 14th September, we are sorry to say that we cannot consider your request for an exclusive agency for the sale of our goods in your city, It is contrary to our policy to restrict the sale of our merchandise to any one wholesale firm in a city, and for this reason we cannot take advantage of your offer, We are sure that you will recognize that, in fairness to all our dealers, it is impossible to make a departure from our policy, If you will continue to handle our goods at the usual wholesale terms, we are sure that you will be completely satisfied with our sales, The new lines we have recently introduced have met with considerable favor all over the country, and we are confident that they will sell to your complete satisfaction, Very truly yours,